Hey guys, this is Vikram here and welcome to GLOSIL. I think you people might find it very difficult and disappointing to see the most visible part of your car to be dull and faded, especially when we spend a lot of rupees on. So in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is and affordable it is to polish your car dashboard at your place by yourself using GLOSIL Dashboard and Tyre Polish. So now let us see how it is done.
Ensure to use a microfiber cloth on cleaning the dashboard to avoid scratches of any sort. Now just add a little bit of dashboard polish to your microfiber cloth and then start rubbing the surface in a circular motion. If you see the dashboard, it is exposed to a lot of abuses like UV rays or general coke spills or human oils, making the dashboard, it loses its shine. So what GLOSIL Dashboard Polish does is that it restores the shine and protects it from UV rays. So the result is evident. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do follow us on social media.